Hi, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. So today I'm going to show you this Olympus Zuiko 50mm and f1.8 lens. So it comes with the front and back caps. Okay. Gonna show you the front. Okay. Focusing is smooth. Aperture blades. How do I activate them? Yeah. So the aperture blades work. Okay. And this is the back. Oh yeah, if I press like this, so it activates. Interesting. Okay, this is the condition of the glass overall. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna do a shine test. Okay. Right. So there you go. So this lens is for sale. If you want to buy it, you can let me know. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.